Hi, today I'm going to tell you why DeepSeek, this new Chinese AI, is currently crushing OpenAI. So, if you know the current situation in the tech world, you know that there's been a couple of hysteria about DeepSeek with all of the NVIDIA stocks dropping as well. OpenAI heavily relies on NVIDIA's graphic cards, right? So, when this is revealed and then suddenly OpenAI suddenly now becomes threatened, people are pulling out of the NVIDIA stocks so they can still sell while it's profitable, right? So why exactly is this happening? First off, I want to show you the pricing for ChatGPT, right? So you can use it for free, but you only have a GPT-4o mini, right? And you also have limited access to GPT-4o. But you can see if you want their most advanced model called the O1, you will have to pay for Pro, which is about $200 per month, right? And for DeepSeek, right now they're offering their current model called the V3, and on chat you can also use DeepThink R1, right? So what this means is that this is a paper, right, for the benchmark of the AI. You can see DeepSeek R1 is pretty on par with OpenAI O1. You can see on the bar here, DeepSeek is the blue one with the dashed white lines, while OpenAI is this gray one, darker gray one here. You can see it's very, very on par. It's comparable. The performance. And in DeepSeek, you can use it for free, right? So for example, I want to code a pretty website with frameworks, right? So with frameworks, so like Tailwind and CSS, things like that. And I want it to deep think R1. And I'm gonna send it, and you can see it'll think for us. It actually gonna show their thought process about this. And this is free. This is why that there's a hysteria, why so many people saying that DeepSeek is crushing OpenAI, because a revolutionary technology like this is being made for free and open source. So if you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.